Hi. So, as you know, I'm going to answer some of your questions today. The first one is I and Rohan, we actually came together through one of our relative. My sister and his friend were friends, and we were both working on our own till then. But one fine day, they both. My sister told me, and his friend told him that there's one more Rohan who's actually working in music and doing good, and you should, meet each other and get to know about each other's music. So that's how we actually met. It was a formal meeting the first time that we met, but then. Finally, I had a work for Nickelodeon, I guess, and it was for a show named Kimon. So I wanted someone to write for me, and Rohan, as you all know, Rohan is a fabulous writer. So that's how we actually started working together, and in that process, we actually came to know that we have a lot of good vibe that works for music between both of us. So here we are, and there's no looking back, and from then I think we've been doing good so far. Another one is yeah, as music composers, I think we always like to be in an isolated place. We generally work in a studio environment, so whenever we have to dub something big, be it musical instruments or rhythm instruments or anything, you name it, and everything is in the studio itself. So. Also, to compose songs, we generally need a isolated environment. So we are actually loving the quarantine period because we get more time to explore, more time to work on it. I know being in quarantine is not that easy for all of us because we are stuck at one place. I know it is not that easy, but then I feel as a creative person and as a composer, I think being in isolation is a blessing. During this lockdown, we've composed a lot of songs. We actually working on two Hindi and two Marathi films, and the score going on for the films, and new compositions that are lined up. So we've been composing a lot. Although we are not together at one place to compose, in the studio, but Rohan is composing from his home setup, and I'm doing it from my home setup. So we are composing a lot of new songs that are supposed to release this or probably next year. Favorite genre? My favorite genre will be a romantic ballad because see, I love all the genres, but it's actually very difficult to choose between the genres of music because we have to listen to a lot of music. We elaborate a lot of music. We learn from a lot of genres. So specifically choosing one from them is difficult. But I generally love romantic numbers and ballads. So that would be my choice for today. The major difference between Marathi industry and the Bollywood industry is what I feel is films are content oriented, and till date, whatever films we do, we are completely involved in the film. We go through a lot of narrations, and songs are according to the script. The songs take the film ahead. So it's not like in Bollywood you generally tend to pick up songs and just place it in the film and proceed according to that. So I think both industries have their own set of ways to approach a film. But saying that, I would like to add that working with Raju sir was a completely same experience that we have in the Marathi industry, because we worked for I think 1.5 year on the film, and we've done 30 to 35 drafts of lyrics for Badhiya Badhiya song, or Bhopu song, or the Baba song, or that's how I think passion is converted into a good film. That's why I think Raju sir always makes good film. So I think that's the only film I think we were completely involved for a Bollywood film. Not that we are not working on other films which we are not involved completely, but in general I think Bollywood tends to pick up songs and place it according to the script. So that's the major difference I feel. Life after lockdown, I don't think many changes in that, because we are happy being isolated. So I have been, I'm just missing my studio obviously. So I'll just be out from here and I'll go to the studio setup and we'll be at studio the whole day. So I think nothing much will change. But I'll miss the time that I'm spending with my family. So I think that's what I'll miss after the lockdown. Favorite from Sanju. As you all know, मैं बढ़िया तू भी बढ़िया, शादी कर ले सावरिया, फूटेंगी फिर फुलझड़िया, बढ़िया बढ़िया. That's from Sanju. People have loved it, so I'm thankful to all of them for listening to our track. And from Thackeray, if you say, it's a power-packed film, and it had numbers which were power-packed. So I would say, आया रे सबका बाप रे, कहते हैं उसको ठाकरे. So that's the number from Thackeray, which was well received by all of you, and thank you for that too. Yes, we are coming up with a lot of singles this year. We've already started working on that. We're doing some tracks along with Avi CJ also. That's a media channel. And we are also working on some of our new singles. So hopefully you'll see us making some good singles this year. Okay, one thing that I miss during this lockdown, and one thing, as I said, I miss my studio in this lockdown, and after the lockdown, I'll probably miss my family more. So that's how a human nature works. You're not satisfied, and you always tend to go for things that you want them to be with you. So I think these are the two things that I'll miss. There are a few Hindi projects that we are working on, and but as you all know, till the time you don't see your name on the poster, you're not supposed to reveal it. So this is probably not the right time to for me to tell you the names of the film that I'm working on. But surely you'll come to know as soon as possible, probably after the lockdown, that some of our films will release this year late, or probably next year. So we have some films lined up. Thank you so much.